Hey everyone! Welcome back to Browsify. In this video, I'll show you how to create collections in Shopify to better organize your products. Whether you're running a clothing store, an electronic shop, or a dropshipping business, collections help customers find what they need faster. Let's get started. In Shopify, a collection is a group of products that share common attributes. There are two types of collections: manual and automated. A manual collection lets you add products one by one, while an automated collection automatically includes products based on set conditions. Let's start with a manual collection. Click Create Collection and give it a name. For example, let's create a collection for shirts and amp tees. Now, let's add products manually. Click Browse and select the products you want to include. Then hit Save. Now, let's create an automated collection. This is useful when you want Shopify to automatically add products based on certain conditions. For example, I am creating a hoodie sale collection. I want to include all products that have hoodie in the title and are priced above 20 once I set these conditions. Shopify will automatically add matching products. Now, let's make sure customers can find our collections. Go to Online Store, then Navigation, and add your collection to the menu. That's it. Now you know how to create and manage collections in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Shopify tutorials. See you in the next video.